Hey guys, welcome back to the another Arduino tutorial, and today you will learn how to use an ultrasonic sensor with Arduino board. These all are same kind of ultrasonic sensors called HCSR04, and distance up to 400 cm can be measured using this sensor. So an ultrasonic sensor, also known as ping sensor, is commonly used to measure the distance of an object from its surface by emitting and receiving sound waves. Transmitter transmits the sound waves, whereas receiver receives these transmitted sound waves reflected back from the object. It kind of works like a radar, about which you must have read in your high school books. Now pinouts of an ultrasonic sensor: VCC, trigger, echo and ground. Sensor is powered through VCC and ground. Trig pin is used to initiate the sound wave transmission, whereas echo pin is used to get the total time taken by wave to get back to the sensor. Now let's see how distance is calculated. As soon as trig pin is set high, it sends pulses of sound waves, and at the same time echo pin becomes high. And as soon as these sound waves are received by the receiver, echo pin becomes low. Now we have to just measure the time interval for which echo pin was high. Now multiply this time by the speed of sound and then divide by 2 to get the one-way distance. Let's understand this once again by an example. Let's suppose there is an object in front of the sensor at 10 cm distance. Wave is transmitted by the transmitter, hits the object and then received by the receiver. The total time between these two events is calculated using echo pin as mentioned earlier. Now using this formula, one-way distance is calculated. Now let's interface the ultrasonic sensor with Arduino. I am using Arduino Uno here, but you can use any Arduino board. Make connections as shown in this circuit. Connect VCC and ground pin of ultrasonic sensor to 5 volt and ground pin of Arduino respectively. Connect trig and echo pin to any digital input output pins. I am connecting trig pin to and echo to. The program for measuring distance using ultrasonic sensor is very simple. First, trig pin is set high for 10 microseconds, then time for which echo pin remains high is calculated using pulse in function, and finally distance in centimeters is calculated using the formula. You can download this code from the link given in description below. Now upload the code to Arduino and then open serial monitor. Here you can see the calculated distance of the object from the surface of the ultrasonic sensor. Let's move the object and see how accurate is the measurement. Now apart from measuring distance, you can make many cool projects using ultrasonic sensors, like Arduino based blind stick made by Circuit Digest. Arduino radar system by How to Mechatronics. And Smart Dustbin by Indian Life Hacker. Please remember that none of these project videos are made by me and they belong to the creators only. You can find link to individual project in the description below. So guys, that was all for today. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't done already. And with that being said, see you next time. Bye bye.